But as President of the Republic of Kenya, I have a responsibility for 40 million Kenyans.
President Uhuru Kenyatta says he expects the Eurobond to be finalized and issued by June, now that Anglo Leasing debts have been cleared. Uhuru says the government has already factored in the anticipated cash from the sovereign bond in next year's financial budget, and it was therefore important to make sure it is issued before June.
With less than 2 months to go before the end of the financial year, the choice was either to start cutting back on government expenditure, to start cutting back on programs and service delivery to Kenyans, or to pay in order for us to be able to move forward as a country.
The president yesterday ordered immediate payment of the 1.4 billion shillings owed to 2 companies over Anglo Leasing type contracts, saying non-payment would cost the county much more in cash and reputation.
And it was a clear choice, given the fact that we had already lost the cases and orders had been issued against the government. There was no way we could go for this particular bond without having first cleared our international obligations.
Uhuru has in the meantime castigated the State Law Office, saying it should have done more to defend Kenya's case when the 2 companies filed suits in Geneva and London.
And the pressure that I am putting especially on the State Law Office is that they must up their game. We cannot afford to lose any more cases, because I believe we have sufficient evidence as to why these should not be paid. But it is unfortunate that we had these rulings, and this was even before I came into office. So we must, as Kenyans, I am putting pressure on the State Law Office. I am asking Parliament to continue to put pressure to ensure that we up our game, and we should not lose these cases, because I believe there is clear evidence of misdeed in those transactions. So we must, that's the only way we can do it. We have to go to court and we must win. And it is for the legal council that represents our republic to up their game and to ensure that we don't lose any more cases going forward. Because as we lose them, they cost us on issues that we do not believe are correct. Asanteni sana na Mungu awabariki. Thank you very much.
I'm Anita Nderu for Capital TV.